welcome to day 4 of 12 Days of Rosery. Today I'm going to be sharing how to make this super cute, very minimal, almost Scandinavian styled festive wreath. I have been so inspired by this kind of design of wreath, and I found so many different variations of this style of wreath all over Pinterest. So I decided I had to have a go at making one for myself this year. And I have to say it was surprisingly pretty easy, so I thought I would share how I went about making it with you today. So let's jump in and let me show you how to make this adorable festive wreath. For this project you'll need some kind of ring. I'm using this gold one that's 30 centimeters or 12 inches in diameter, some macrame cord, a pair of scissors, and your choice of foliage. For my wreath, I'm using some lovely Australian natives that I dried from an old bunch of flowers I was given. Start by cutting 25 60 centimeter or 23.5 inch pieces of macrame cord. Then place your ring onto a hook. I happen to have this handy one at the back of my door, and attach each piece of cord to the ring by folding it in half and tying it on with a lark's head knot. And you should now have something that looks like this. Now to start adding the foliage. For this part, I'm going to use some thin twine. Start by tying some sprigs of foliage to the ring, starting from the outside of the macrame cord and working your way to the center of the ring. This part is all about adding and experimenting with different layers of foliage, and I found it worked best to add longer pieces at the back and then have them get shorter as you reach the centre. I also wanted my wreath to look a little bit asymmetrical, so I added a bit more foliage to the left hand side of the ring to achieve this look. I then finished my wreath by adding 2 beautiful dried proteas to the centre of the ring, which I think brought the whole thing together nicely. I then also decided to trim the macrame fringe on an angle and into a point at the centre. But this part is totally optional and you could keep it the way it was if you prefer. And my lovely festive wreath is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have a go at making a wreath like this one for yourself, then I would love to see it. So be sure to use the hashtag 12 Days of Rosery when you share your photos on Instagram. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you do that, as I'll be posting a new video every single day up until the 12th of December. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching.